Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best KitchenAid mixer for bread dough. Number 1. KitchenAid Quart. Experience powerful performance and durability with this top-rated stand mixer, designed to handle all your baking and cooking needs effortlessly. Constructed with a sturdy, long-lasting metal build, it ensures stability and reliability for years to come. Featuring 59 touch points around the mixing bowl, it delivers thorough and consistent results every time. The 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl allows you to mix up to 8 dozen cookies in a single batch, making it ideal for both small and large recipes. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, the bowl ensures convenience after every use. The tilt head design provides better access to the bowl, making it simple to add ingredients, while a secure locking mechanism keeps everything in place during mixing. With 10 speeds, this versatile kitchen essential can handle everything from gently folding ingredients to whipping cream to perfection. Expand its functionality with over 10 optional attachments, enabling you to create fresh pasta, burgers, veggie noodles, ice cream, and more. Included accessories like a coated flat beater, coated dough hook, and 6-wire whip offer additional versatility. Elevate your culinary experience with this high-performance, multifunctional mixer designed for creativity and precision. Number 2. KitchenAid Contour. Take your mixing, kneading, and shredding to the next level with exceptional power and control. Engineered for superior performance, this stand mixer offers twice the power in the bowl compared to standard tilt head models, ensuring effortless handling of even the toughest doughs. A secure 3-point locking bowl provides extra stability so you can mix with confidence. With 11 distinct speeds, including a powerful speed 10 and an ultra-gentle 1/2 speed, this versatile appliance gives you complete control over your recipes. The unique half speed is designed specifically for delicate folding, allowing you to incorporate ingredients like blueberries or whipped egg whites without overbeating. The spacious 7-quart stainless steel bowl is built for large batches, making it easy to mix up to 13 dozen cookies, knead over 8.5 pounds of bread dough, or mash more than 7.5 pounds of potatoes in a single go. The innovative double flex edge beater scrapes the bowl efficiently, ensuring thorough mixing with every use. Included accessories like a coated flat beater, dough hook, 11-wire whip, and pouring shield add even more versatility. Achieve outstanding results with precision, power, and ease. Number 3. KitchenAid Artisan. Bring versatility and style into your kitchen with a stand mixer designed to complement your personality while delivering powerful performance. With a variety of color options to choose from, you can find the perfect match for your space. Beyond its stylish appearance, this appliance transforms into a culinary center with more than 15 optional attachments, allowing you to create everything from fresh pasta to homemade ice cream. Equipped with a 5-quart stainless steel bowl featuring a comfortable handle, it provides ample capacity to mix dough for up to 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. The 59-point planetary mixing action ensures thorough ingredient incorporation with multiple touch points around the bowl for consistent results. Designed with convenience in mind, the tilt head design gives you easy access to the bowl and attachments, making ingredient additions effortless. Whether you're stirring, kneading, or whipping, this powerful mixer handles nearly any task with ease. Included accessories such as the coated flat beater, coated dough hook, 6-wire whip, and 1-piece pouring shield enhance its versatility. With durability and performance combined, this essential kitchen tool elevates every recipe. Number 4. KitchenAid Head. Experience powerful performance in a compact design, perfect for smaller kitchens or those who love efficiency without sacrificing capability. Built with durable, all-metal construction, this stand mixer is designed to handle any task with ease. Featuring 67 touch points around the bowl, it ensures thorough mixing and consistent results every time. The 3.5-quart stainless steel bowl is ideal for smaller batches, allowing you to mix up to 5 dozen cookies in a single go. Its dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup effortless. The convenient tilt head feature provides easy access to the bowl, so you can add ingredients seamlessly, while the secure locking mechanism keeps everything in place during mixing. Despite its lighter and more compact build, this mixer packs the same power as larger models, making it easy to move while saving valuable counter space. Whether you're whipping cream, kneading dough, or stirring wet and dry ingredients together, it delivers reliable performance for all your favorite recipes. With a balance of power, precision, and portability, this kitchen essential is perfect for home bakers who want maximum versatility in a smaller footprint. Number 5, CEBORY Household. Designed for versatility and efficiency, this stand mixer is the perfect kitchen companion for all your baking and cooking needs. With multiple functions, it easily handles mixing, kneading, and whisking, making it ideal for preparing cakes, bread, cookies, pastries, muffins, and waffles. Equipped with 10 speed settings plus a pulse function, it offers precise control for everything from gentle stirring to high-speed blending, ensuring perfect results every time. Powered by a high-performance DC motor, this mixer delivers consistent and robust power, allowing it to tackle even the toughest doughs and large ingredient quantities with ease. Its reliable performance saves both time and effort, enhancing every step of your cooking experience. Designed for hassle-free cleaning, the tilt head feature provides easy access for quick attachment changes, while the detachable bowl and accessories make washing effortless. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, the bowl and attachments resist corrosion and high temperatures, keeping ingredients pure and uncontaminated. Built for durability and long-lasting use, this sturdy appliance is a must-have for any kitchen. An ideal gift for family and friends, this mixer also comes with 24/7 customer support to ensure a seamless experience. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.